Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this is the Jimenez Arms 380, J.A 380. This gun was originally black. It was all beat up. Most of the internal parts were missing for it. It was in really rough shape. I got everything taken apart. Well, I was able to get all new parts and basically rebuild the whole thing to where it actually functioned properly as a pistol. And I sanded it real down and got a nice finish on it. And I was originally going to leave the whole entire gun this chrome finish or stainless steel finish. But then I thought, man, a nice flat matty black finish on here would look absolutely amazing. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to paint it. And then I'll get it reassembled after the paint dries. But I wanted to show you guys what I was doing here. But yeah, it took me a minute to decide on the paint. I wasn't sure I actually wanted to paint it, but I'm going to paint it in just regular flat black spray paint. I have an extra slide that I painted. It's sitting here on the bench, and it turned out great. It looks amazing on there. So I think the look of black is better than the chrome is what I'm going to go with. And if not, worst case scenario, I'll sand it down again and keep this nice chrome finish on it. But I wanted to share with you guys, how I was gonna do it. Like I said, I covered all the main parts that I need to cover up on this thing. I taped everything off, and I'm gonna get it painted up really nice. Hopefully, it gets a nice finish on it. And bring this bad boy back to life a little bit. And that's it, guys. I always was one of those guys that said, no, I would never paint a firearm. I see a lot of guys do it with their rifles and stuff. I don't know if I would have enough balls to do that, but we're gonna try it and see how it works. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll post the final process of putting it back together and the final look. Thanks for watching, everybody.